Hello folks, welcome back to our Solution Unlock channel. In this tutorial, we are going to unlock the power of Control E, Excel Flash Fill function. Let's dive into how we can use it to streamline data entry. Firstly, we have an employee list here and we want to quickly extract the first name, last name, and initials. Start by typing the first name in the first cell. For example, just type John in cell C4. Now go to the next cell C5. Press Ctrl plus E and look. At that, Excel fills in all the first name automatically. Then for the last names, type Smith in the first cell of the last name column. Then move to the next cell D5 and press Ctrl plus E. Flash fill will instantly fill it the rest. Similarly, to get the initials, just type JS in the first cell of the initials column. Hit Ctrl plus E and the flash will complete the rest of the initials for you. Now let's say you have phone numbers in a variety of formats but you want them to follow the standard. So in the first cell of the standard format column, type the specific format and then press enter and hit Ctrl plus E. Excel automatically reformats all the phone numbers in the same style. Moreover, let's extract specific paths from email address like the username and the domain. Here in the first cell of the user name column, type John Smith. Look, I write the John with caps lock on, so it's not working. Now, correcting it, press enter, move to the next cell, type John Smith, and then press Ctrl plus E. Flash will instantly extract all the usernames. Similarly, in the domain column, type gmail.com. Press enter and move to the next cell and then press plus E. Excel extract the domain part from the email address. That's the magic of Control plus E flash fill in action. Whether you are extracting names, reformatting numbers, or isolating emails components, flash fill can save you tons of times. Try it out in your Excel project.